We've got some water and we've got some barley flakes in there. So this is going to mimic what we would do in the process of making beer. So we first of all do the mashing process, whereby you'd heat your barley flakes with some water, and that's going to gelatinize the starch at a nice high temperature. So release all those starches, gelatinize it, thicken it up, and then we need to then break it down from its starches into the fermentable sugars, which in the case of making beer is maltose. Add in a few drops of our brewer's amylase. And it's going to now hydrolyze the starches that have been released from our barley flakes. Going to hydrolyze it, and it's going to break it down into its fermentable component sugars. So we're going to have some maltose. And there's a really good demo to do alongside this, which is just to showcase how we're going from starch down to the reducible sugars, just so we can showcase how enzymes are working and show that we can actually monitor when the starch has all been hydrolyzed and broken down. So what I've got here is I've got a little plate, and it's got a little bit of our iodine potassium iodide solution that creates a polyiodide linear complex which can insert into the starch of our that's being released. You've got your amylose in there. Your amylose is a helical structure, and your iodide can slot into that helical coil, and it's a charge transfer complex, and as a result of that, these electrons can be excited, and they end up taking on a colour, and they look really dark blue or black. I've got two solutions that I've already prepped beforehand. This one here is a solution of just water with the barley in there. And so we should see a really dark black solution where we've got presence of starch. So mix it into there, and you can see, I'll do it on those two there, you can see we've got some starch present, so it's really dark black and blue. For this one here, we've got a solution where I've added the amylase in, so we should have broken down the starches now into its component reducible sugars, and as a result we don't have that coil structure of our amylose, so we should now be able to see that you won't have any starch present. So when we mix it into here now, you can see that we haven't got any starch.